Okay.
Don't be entertaining.
I was born entertaining.
That means next.
What up? It's your boy Pac, and today we're in beautiful Portland, Oregon, with my friends.
Becca.
Oh, Becca. Anjali.
Do you want to do it over? Or are you good?
No.
That's it.
That's it.
That shit in
That's
there.
it. And we're gonna do another blindfold challenge, and they have no idea what we're gonna do.
Not a clue.
Why
So,
am I... What?
You're leaking. So what we're doing today is a taste test. We're gonna do name brand stuff versus generic.
Oh,
And you need
shit.
to figure out which one is the name brand.
I probably haven't had half this stuff.
How do you think you're gonna do?
I better win!
Okay, well, we know who's gonna win. I better. I'm nervous.
Why?
No idea.
You guys can't see anything?
I don't know how I'm gonna reach the plate.
And also,
Can you
how I'm
like
gonna reach
put the plate in
You
our
might have
hands?
to help
I'll
us.
guide
with
your
that.
hands.
Mm,
First off, we're gonna start off pretty easily.
that sounds like a crunchy bag. Bag of crunch.
It's gonna be what Becca was just talking about. The watermelon slices.
I don't
So
want to
one
be good at this solely because
is
I can
gonna
start
be-
black. Ow.
Front plate right here.
Are we supposed to eat the front plate first?
You can do whatever you want, but that's the front plate.
Where's my back plate? Okay.
And you can eat them.
First of all, this whack ass shape already. The fuck? This is the off-brand ass one. Oh! Is this the Jolly Rancher kind?
That's not it.
That's hella Jolly
That is
Rancher.
not, it's definitely Jolly Rancher.
Mhm.
Ew.
I fucking hate Jolly Rancher.
Oh no.
Which one is the
That's just-
Sour Patch name brand
That's
candy?
fine.
The front one, of
You just
course. You
spit
can
on
tell
it.
by the fucking shape. No, it's not me. Oh, it's my cup.
Your cup
It's
spit
my
on it.
straw. I'm so sorry. My straw's
I don't want that ever again.
And no. Fuck water. Or fuck.
Puck water, cuz.
No.
The other is just the Walmart Great Value brand.
Oh, it's not actually Jolly Rancher?
It is not Jolly Rancher.
Well, they're
Tasted
fucking...
exactly
So much
like a
Jolly
Jolly
Rancher
Rancher.
slander on this channel. Alright, this next one is also going to be a candy. It's going to be the generic milk chocolate versus Hershey's.
Okay.
Hershey's milk chocolate?
Yeah.
Like the one you put on s'mores?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, it's not
Do you
this.
remember which?
No,
Okay.
Hershey's on it. The one in the front is Hershey's.
Absolutely.
Are you guys sure?
Positive.
Okay, you guys want more of the chocolate? Or
No.
You guys
I don't even like chocolate.
I feel like you said
Says
that
the
last
girl
time.
ate like 10 chocolates that night.
First of all, that was...
Where'd you eat chocolate at? Oh,
I was high.
Merci.
Merci. I was high. First of all, I was high. I also ate 50 million Dunkers.
Trader Joe's?
Yeah.
Wait, I recommend.
10 out of 10. Play quick.
Oreos and
Wow,
Great
I know,
Value.
fucking easy, dude. Fucking easy.
It goes over your face?
Yeah. Becca.
Alright, guys.
First of all, the fucking fill. The fill.
It's not that one. That one.
The back one's
The back
original.
That one's an Oreo.
First one's the off-brand.
Make sure you press the like button right now if you want to see more challenges, or if you want me to come to Portland more, then click that like button. But you guys are you good? You guys want
Yeah.
more Oreos?
Oh wait,
Obviously.
was that both Oreos?
Oh!
You fucking tried to trick us. They're the same fucking thing.
No, it's not. The taste is
Oh wait, no, it's the same thing.
I don't think it's the same
I
thing.
think it's both Oreos.
Can I try this one, back one again?
They don't feel like the texture's not different. I thought one was thicker, but then I tasted them.
They taste relatively
You want any
similar.
more, Ange?
No,
Oh.
I think it's the one in the back.
the one in the back is definitely original.
But after you said that, I feel like you could be right about the same cookie thing. But I think the one in the back
is
had a crunchier cookie.
the back one's original Oreo for sure.
Okay, you guys ready?
Was the front one the same thing?
No, it's the generic brand. Alright, round 4. You guys are 3 for 3. Round 4, we are doing strawberry.
Strawberry what?
High five me!
Oh.
Okay, what are we doing now?
Strawberry, frosted, flavored, Pop-Tarts.
Oh god. The off-brand ones are so obvious.
I think we're gonna get this one right.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of food. I don't know how much over these guys.
Yeah.
You can leave the Pop-Tarts with me.
They're on the plates.
This one already feels like the right one. The back one's the fake one.
No, the back one's a real one.
Is it? I don't know.
No, I'm not sure.
No, you're not. It's not. Because the back of the...
You guys know you're competing, right?
Yeah, I know that, but like, if you feel the texture, the off-brand ones have that fucking weird-ass pattern in the back, and the regular one does not.
But they both have a zigzag.
It's not the same.
They both do have zigzag on them.
Fuck off. Okay, front's Pop-Tart. Send it.
The front is the Pop-Tart.
Is it correct? Almost
That
had
one's got me.
it. Next, we have sweet and salty kettle corn.
I don't eat kettle
I don't
corn.
like Kettle. Wait, what brand is the...
Smart Part?
It is Boom Chicka Pop.
Yum.
What's the off-brand?
Great value Walmart.
Sweatsuit.
Wait, I haven't bought the other one yet.
Becca.
She's tasty. That's gross.
No,
It's
it's
definitely
not.
the one in the back.
You've never even had Boom Chicka Pop.
No, I haven't, but this thing in the front is disgusting.
Boom Chicka Pop is kind of disgusting.
Looks like not edible.
This one's sticky, and Boom Chicka Pop is not sticky, so I think the front is Boom Chicka Pop.
Can I have more of this one in the back?
Yeah, take it off my plate.
I think the back one is Boom Chicka Pop.
No, Boom Chicka Pop's in the back.
You guys are just rolling together this whole challenge.
She knows I'm right.
What?
What's the final answer?
Boom Chicka Pop's in the back.
In the box.
In the bulk.
Last one.
Yum.
We're doing Lay's sour cream and onion potato chips. Shout out to Walmart, sponsor me.
Oh, we're telling them we can tell all the stuff is off-brand. I think it's sponsored.
Sponsor me.
I can't find my mouth. Hold on.
They pretty much taste the same.
Yeah, I don't fucking know.
I have no idea.
I think the front is,
It's Lay's?
yeah.
Final answer.
Front is
fine
Lay's. Are we correct?
You guys are correct. 6 for 6 all the way through.
However,
Then it's over.
Walmart got the closest on that one.
Did you guys learn anything from today's challenge?
Yeah, my taste buds are impeccable.
Is there any way you guys would probably buy the off-brand instead of the name brand if you
No.
I think
Especially
maybe
not
for
those
the-
stupid gummies.
I
That's
think
terrible.
the gummies
The
were
gummies
the most
were like the wrong shape.
I think the one that I would eat probably for sure is this Pop-Tarts.
Yeah.
Theirs is more flavorful than Pop-Tarts.
Really?
Yeah, that it's like sweeter and like tastes like
It wasn't
strawberry.
actually, I thought it was going to be terrible, but it wasn't
Yeah,
terrible.
it wasn't terrible. It was better.
Noted.
feel
So
like-
Pop-Tarts, maybe the
chips are the
chips,
same, literally.
besides like the crunch factor. Oreos? I thought you guys had a...
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
But it was different.
Definitely not the chocolate.
I thought the chocolate wasn't that bad, actually. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you click. That's not right. Make
Like,
sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Catch you on the next one.